How to make an invisible name on TikTok. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an invisible name on TikTok. First, open the browser on your mobile device. Here, use the search bar to search for a blank character. Next, tap on the first website as shown on the screen. Then, select the blank box as shown on the screen and copy it. Now, open the TikTok app and log in to your account. After that, reach your profile and tap on Edit as shown here. Here, tap on your profile name and remove your current name. Finally, place the blank space that you copied and tap on Save to make the invisible name on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.